Hello everyone, how are you all? So let's start our next chapter, chapter number 7, the soils of India. In this chapter, we are going to learn about soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It is one of the most important natural resources which is found on the earth. What is the importance of soil? We'll see the importance of soil one by one. Soil forms the basis of agriculture. Without soil, no plant can be grown. All living beings, directly or indirectly, depend on soil. In villages, people build houses, pots, etc. using soil. Now, how does the formation of soil take place? It's a very long process. Weathering of rocks occurs due to heat, wind, and flowing water breaks down the rocks into small pieces. These small pieces break down further to form tiny particles of soil, and then ultimately we get our desired soil. Wind, rain, rivers carry this soil to different places. Remains of dead plants and animals mix with the soil, which is a kind of humus, we can say. The formation of soil is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years to make a layer of soil just 1 centimeter thick. Yes, it's a very slow process. Now, let's talk about the different types of soil that can be found in India. Since India has different landforms, it possesses different kinds of soil. First of all, alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil, etc. Now, first let's talk about the alluvial soil. What kind of soil it is basically? Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. It is made up of fine silt deposited by the rivers. It is found in the northern plains and in the deltas of the eastern coastal plains. It is good for growing variety of crops like wheat, rice, pulses, oilseeds, jute, fruits and vegetables. So it is a very fertile kind of soil. Now let's talk about the black soil, another type of soil which is also called black cotton soil. Black soil is made up of volcanic lava. It gets its black color due to the presence of lime and iron. It is found in the northwestern parts of Deccan Plateau. Black soil is good for growing cotton and sugarcane. That is why it is also called black cotton soil. Next comes the red soil. Let's talk about the red soil. Red soil gets its red color due to the presence of iron. It is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, parts of Andhra Pradesh. It is not as fertile as alluvial or black soil. Millets, groundnuts, pulses, coffee, tea, and rubber are grown in this soil. Basically, it is good for growing coffee, tea, and rubber. Next comes our laterite soil. It is also one of the most important soil which is found in India. Laterite soil gets its red color due to the presence of iron and aluminium. It is found in the Western Ghats, parts of Tamil Nadu, and scattered in other regions. It is good for crops like tea, coffee, spices, coconut, and rubber. Yeah, it's very good for the cultivation of these kinds of crops. Next comes the mountain soil, which is also very much important soil. Mountain soil is very rich in organic matter and humus. Humus is the remains of dead plants and animals. It is found in the Himalayan region and in the hilly areas of Assam, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. It is also good for raising fruit orchids. Next come the desert soil, which is also a part of Rajasthan, basically found in Rajasthan in India. Desert soil is primarily made up of sand particles and it is very poor in nitrogen and humus. It is found in the deserts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Punjab. If irrigated properly, it can produce crops such as wheat, gram, cotton, jowar, etc. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.